Hi, in this video we are going to see the non-UGC NET PhD fellowship scheme which is provided by one of the central university. Okay, that means if you are looking for the PhD admission in this university, okay, even though if you don't have the UGC NET or else the CSI or UGC NET national eligible test qualification, then you will get 8,000 rupees per month as a PhD fellowship plus 10,000 rupees per annum as a contingency for your publication of the research or else for attending the conferences. Okay, so right now the PhD admission is not released in that university. So in the month of July we are expecting the admission. So please don't miss this opportunity if once the PhD admission released from this university. And even I will also update or else upload one video whenever the PhD admission released from that university. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And to get the updates of my videos, okay, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. While coming to the present content of the video, here the university name is Mahatma Gandhi Central University. So from this university, I mean, it is having one scheme that it is providing the non-UGC NET PhD fellowship, guys, okay, that I am going to show you right now. Before that one, for the last time, the PhD admission notification, that is for 2020 to 21, it was released on 7th July 2020. So we are expecting in this 2021, the online application link will be opened on the nearly in the month of July 2021. Okay, so once if we got admission from this university, then immediately I will upload one video, guys. Okay, so to get the updates of my videos, okay, you have to subscribe the channel. And whatever the non-UGC NET PhD scheme is there, that I am going to show you from this university. So this notification released on 3rd June 2020. So regarding that, it is having, when it is hereby notified that the following guidelines shall be applicable in respect of scheme of award of UGC non-NET fellowship scheme in the university with immediate effect. Okay, so as per this scheme, that is UGC non-NET fellowship scheme, you may observe that the scheme for non-NET fellowship is applicable for the full-time research scholars who are not in receipt of any financial assistance from any sources and are registered for the MPhil or the PhD programs in various departments of the university. Right? And the award and extension of the fellowship will always subject to actual release of funds from the UGC and compliance with stipulated conditions. Okay, and next one, a copy of this notification and subsequent changes, if any, will be placed on the university website. Right? And coming to the MPhil program, for non-NET fellowship of 5,000 rupees per month will be available, with 10,000 rupees per year as a contingency for science students. And coming to the humanities and social science students, 8,000 rupees per year is available, that is a contingency. Okay, and coming to the PhD program, for the selected candidates will be entitled as 8,000 rupees per month as fellowship and contingency 10,000 rupees for science students per annum, and 8,000 rupees per annum as a contingency for the humanities and the social science students. That means this PhD fellowship scheme belongs to the science students as well as the humanities and the social sciences. And 8,000 rupees per month is a fellowship is fixed to both these two categories. And coming to the contingency per annum, it is 10,000 rupees for science and 8,000 rupees per annum for the humanities and the social sciences. Fine. So it is one of the wonderful opportunity, guys. So whenever the admission released from this university, so please try to apply. Okay, if you are not having the UGC NET qualification and looking for some financial assistance. Okay, and for fresh award or the registered scholars, okay, that means whoever the candidates took the admission and wants to register for this UGC non-NET fellowship, then they have to submit their application in the prescribed format attached to this notification to the academic section of the university, duly recommended by DRC and forwarded by the HOD concerned to complete in all respects, not later than the last date as per the notified by the academic section every academic year. Okay, that means I will provide this PDF link also in the description box of this video. So if you once took the admission in this university, then you have to take out the printout of this PDF and attach the prescribed format of application and then submit these things to the academic section of the university. Right? And fellowship shall be awarded from the date of commencement of classes for registered scholars for the coursework of MPhil or the PhD programs. And the maximum span period for award of fellowship will be 4 years for PhD, okay, and 12 months for MPhil, okay, and no fellowship shall be given for the part-time scholars, and also extended period beyond the stipulated period of study for full-time scholars. And the candidates who are already doing, and if you are looking for the renewal, then the renewal of fellowship for every year should be submitted to the academic section with a month. Within a month from the date of expiry of fellowship in the prescribed pro forma. So these are the details, guys, and you will check down. Whoever the rejected candidates are there, they may apply the fresh for renewal of the fellowship for the next academic year. And failure to qualify in a semester exam coursework for any reasons will result in immediate suspension of the fellowship. That means you should not fail in the pre-PhD coursework, guys. And regarding the leaves, okay, and cancellation of fellowship, and methods of submission of bill for payment of the fellowship, okay, so all these things are given here, so you may check down, guys. And the format for claiming the UGC non-net fellowship, what is the name of the course and department and school, name of the student and roll number, admission, Aadhaar number, so your account number as well as the bank name and IFSC code, whether availing any financial assistance from any other sources, okay, so all these things you have to mention, and few signatures also needed here. And this one also you have to fill up, okay. So these are all the details regarding this UGC non-net fellowship, guys. And so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, and whenever the admission released from this university, then I will upload a video, okay. And please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys, okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you, that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide